Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to cut curly square layers, cut wet with technical precision. We begin by assessing the client's hair texture, curl pattern, and current haircut shape. For the best results on tight curly textures, let the hair soak in warm water. Using a hydrating shampoo and conditioner. When cutting curls wet with tension, I gently comb through each section, preparing the hair for a clean and even cut. For this cut, I'm using a vent or Denman brush for section control, a long cutting comb for precision and tension, my 5-inch Mizutani precision scissors. I'm using the classic hot cross bun sectioning pattern. What do you call this where you're from? Let me know in the comments below. We'll take vertical sections working from the center to the sides on both halves of the head. Take a comb width section and elevate it straight up 90 degrees. Use the shortest existing layer as your guide. This client requested long, seamless layers while maintaining maximum length. With firm tension and clean sections, elevate 90 degrees to the ceiling and remove length to match the guide. For the next section, direct it back to the previous one. This builds weight and length, creating a square corner on the side of the head. Keep your cutting angle square, 90 degrees to both the floor and ceiling for a true square layer. Repeat this process across the entire back zone. Remember, keep consistent body position from side to side. Maintain even tension, essential for balanced curly cuts when dried naturally. Visualize the shape as you work. Curly hair reveals the haircut in real time. Take your skills further. Join my membership program for less than $2 per week. Exclusive members only masterclasses. Invest in your skills today. Join now for instant access. Now moving into the second back zone, I'm repeating the same vertical sections and elevation, but my focus here is my body position. Keeping my stance identical to the first side ensures balance. Remember, if your shoulders shift or your comb angle changes, one side can easily end up heavier than the other. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite layering technique that you use, or do you use combinations of different shapes? Let me know in the comments below. Once the back zone is complete, rehydrate the hair with a moisture spray and serum to prevent frizz and speed up the styling process. Take your guide from the back into the front. Working in radial sections, elevate at 90 degrees with firm, consistent tension, cutting square layers. Each new section is directed back to the previous. Always cross-check visually and physically as you go to ensure the perfect balance. Continue until you run out of hair. Square layers are simply layers cut at 90 degrees. The result, a balanced modern shape that keeps length and removes heaviness. We use them on curls to stop that triangle look, add movement and keep the hair seamless. It's a modern approach to cutting layers in all hair shapes. Rehydrate the curls and style as you go. Then repeat the same process on the opposite side. We are getting closer to our goal of 100k subscribers. And 90% of you who watch my channel aren't even subscribed yet. Lend us a hand and subscribe today. On the opposite front zone, the technique is the same. Clean radial sections elevated to 90 degrees. But here I'm thinking about how the curls will fall around the face. Consistent tension is critical, but so is awareness of shrinkage. Curls can bounce up shorter. So I cut with that in mind, always cross-checking against the other side for symmetry. This is the curly long square layers without reducing any length. I call this a shape look. To complete the haircut, cut a simple square line at your client's chosen length or the length you have recommended. Here's a sneak peek at my members tutorial where I show you 2 advanced techniques, a super quick curly face frame and how to refine this haircut dry for balance and shape and longevity. If you'd like full access, hit the join button. I finished by styling with a diffuser, moisture spray and serum for definition and shine. This is my curly square layered haircut, perfect for all hair textures, face shapes and body types. It's my go-to layering technique to keep curls modern, seamless and full of life. If you liked this tutorial or learned something new, hit like and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support my work, you can now tip me through the tip jar membership or become a backroom member where you get access to advanced edits and deeper education. If you liked this tutorial, you should watch one of these ones next.